guys, in honor of my 21st birthday, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be showing you my 3 favorite cocktails, which obviously I've never tried before today because I've never tried alcohol before today because it's my 21st birthday. So to start off, we're going to do a spicy skinny margarita. First things first, get your lime. Cut her right in half, and you're going to juice her straight into the shaker. Next, you're going to add 1 shot of your favorite tequila. I prefer Don Julio. Again, I only prefer Don Julio since today. Measure out a single shot of Contra, which is a delicious little orange liqueur. Then you're going to squeeze in your preferred amount of agave. I just like a little bit. Ooh. Next, add a scoop of ice into the shaker. Maybe 2 scoops. Now you're going to go ahead and add on the top of the shaker. Make sure everything's all tight. Hold the top. It can unlock out. You know that song in some Beatles where they're at dinner and they're like, shake something, and it's very cold. Now we're going to let that sit for just like half a moment. We're going to take the lime, put it on the rim of our glass to make it sticky. And then grab our plate of sea salt. You might own margarita salt. I don't. And we're gonna get it right in there. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Fill your beautiful salt-rimmed glass with ice. This is like my favorite kind of ice. It's all crushed, but not just like random crushed ice. It's like the kind that you find in soda at really good cheap fast food places. Ooh, okay. Now we're gonna take off the tippy top. And watch our margarita. Ooh. That's beautiful. The super fun thing about this video is that I drink as it goes, so we'll see how that works out. Okay guys, for my next cocktail, I'm going to be doing an oat milk espresso martini. I have a very complicated relationship with this drink because I quit coffee in favor of tea because tea has less caffeine and, you know, health. But I love the taste of it. Also, I have a complicated relationship with martini glasses because I am clumsy and you do this, you barely, you just, and whoa. Those words made sense. To start, we are going to put in our shaker 2 shots of espresso. I use a dark roast pod in my espresso machine. Next, we're going to add 1 shot of oat milk. Tell me if anyone agrees with me on this. I don't know if it's just because I associate oatmeal with cinnamon, but oat milk tastes like cinnamon. Tell me in the comments. Someone be on my side. Next, we are going to add in a wee little bit of raw cane sugar. I'm sort of doing this in place of a coffee liqueur because a lot of times Kahlua and things like that aren't the healthiest. I want some clean cocktails, you know, as clean as poison can be. Next, you're going to take 1 shot of your favorite vodka. I prefer Tito's just because, I don't know, I like the taste. Also, it's gluten-free if that's important to you. Not really to me, but just thought I'd put it out there. Beautiful. And now we're going to put in a whole bunch of ice and shake it all up. Shake it real good. attractive faces on. Big this. Okay. That's all we need. And now we pour it in and watch the magic happen. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Ah. We want it to be just the top, like an infinity pool. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be just the perfect amount. Oh, it's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I want to photograph it before I even take a sip of it, but I'm afraid I'll spill it if I go that route. It's just... Wow, I'm in love. Okay, so for our final cocktail, we are going to be doing a whiskey sour. First things first, you guessed it, grab your shaker. Make sure she's all cleaned out from the last cocktail because you really don't want your whiskey sour to taste like coffee. So we're gonna start by getting 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. I do not have a normal sized lemon, so we're gonna use the juicer with these tiny little baby lemons and see what they get us. Okay, let's pour it in and see if that's almost a shot. That's like pretty perfect. We're gonna add just like a little bit extra because I'm just personally someone who likes everything extra sour. So let's just a little more. Perfect. Okay, next we'll be doing 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Finally, we're gonna add in 2 ounces of whiskey. This is the High West Whiskey Rendezvous Rye, and it is a blend of straight rye whiskey. I don't really know this very well. I just got it from my dad's cabinet. So 2 ounces is like a shot and a half. And finally, we're gonna add in some ice and shake it up. We want this to be on the rocks, so we're gonna get some of the bigger ice cubes rather than the little crushed ones for this guy. We're going to pour her in. Maybe him. Why is whiskey a masculine drink? I don't know. I don't want to see pour her in with whiskey. And we're gonna get a nice little bit of orange peel for the garnish. Beautiful. Oh, it fell. We're gonna do a better one. That wasn't that pretty. We want like a nice long peel so it curls. Yeah. Oh. Do you see that? Look at that curl. That is beautiful. Oh, I dropped it again. It's okay. Boop. Ow. I'm impressed with myself. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still working on the margarita. I drank the entire espresso martini. That one is just too good. You just like, those are dangerous. Straight up, another reason for a mixed relationship. The espresso martini and my mixed relationship with it drives me to drink more espresso martinis and margaritas. This isn't a good joke. I'm gonna cut it. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you want more videos to do with cooking or cocktail making or anything of the sort, please let me know. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell. You can choose some notifications. You can choose all notifications. You can do whatever you want to do. You don't have to ring the bell. You don't have to subscribe to me. Do what makes your heart smile. Why do I say things like that? Okay, I am acting crazy, so I'm going to sign off and go ahead and enjoy my drinks or give them to my family because you should not mix liquors. Fun facts I learned on my first day of drinking. Today, my 21st birthday. I did not film this in advance. In fact, because I'm posting it at 10 a.m., this is officially 7 a.m. filming. I'm not lying. I don't lie. I have no reason to lie. I have no stake in this. Let's blame this again. Blame it on the alcohol. Remember on Glee when they did blame it on the alcohol and then one of them was just like and puked? Let's not do that. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.